guys. I just made a video so that you can understand what is this file we shared on the group. Okay, so basically we'll be talking about what is the composite score cutoff for various colleges. See, this document is a master document which most of us have it, and it's already published online across various portals. So it was with collective efforts of many people who put RTI application. We got all these details, so it's extremely valuable that you see this. Okay. So we'll start off with IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, so this data is for 18 to 20 and 19 to 21 batch. Sorry. So initially, there will be like this sanction intake, right? Okay, so how many people were supposed to be taken to the college? 385 people were supposed to be taken. So in that 1,220 people got a call. Okay, so 588 in general, and then like see NCOBC 312, SC 174, ST 102, and PWD 144. Right. Then finally they filled. See, this 184 seats were sanctioned and 184 were filled. Okay, like that. OBC 99 was sanctioned and 100 were filled. Okay, SC 55, 58. There'll be some relaxation with the IMs to add more people if they get like a tie or something like between people. Okay, or like see here 4 people they could not get PWD. Probably they're compensative over here or something. Okay, so first round of call. Okay, it has come out on 5th April. Okay, and these many people were given a call, and this was the composite score. This composite score calculation, it is there on the website. Okay, so go and check it out over there. Okay, and then like that. Okay, next round there will be like another 4 people in general. They didn't take IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, which is surprising. So those 4 people were given a call. Then again another 2 people. Then again another 2 people. Okay, so this was what was done. Okay, and sometimes IIM Ahmedabad has something called as deferred admission. Okay, so probably because of deferred admission, this numbers were more. Deferred in the sense 1 year later you can join the course instead of say 2019 to 21 batch, you can join 2020 to 22 batch if the college gives that permission. Okay. Similarly, there is like FMS ka cutoff. See, FMS has so many lists coming up. It is because FMS is in third or fourth rank. There will be other people who has got FMS, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta also. They'll go to those colleges instead of FMS, right? So because of that, these people will start getting a call. Okay, that's why FMS has this call. Okay, so 24th, then 23rd May, almost 1 month later, they gave the second call, and then like that, it is like going on and going on. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, and after that, I will show you another college, which would be wait. Let's go for IIM Bangalore. Okay, so I'm from Bangalore. Okay, they haven't given the cutoff for 2019, so 2018 cutoff is there. 2018, 60 points approximately should have. Okay, so this calculation formula, there's a document on IIM Bangalore website. Go and just download. Okay, in admission section, there will be there. Okay, so IIM Bangalore gave a total 1,424 calls. Okay, for 410 seats. So it is almost in the ratio 1:3 to 1:4. Okay, between that it is there. Okay, so it doesn't mean that just because you have a call you can convert. Okay, after getting the call also, there are chances of conversion will be pretty decent for most of the people. Okay, so let's go down the line. Okay, let's go for a new IIM. Okay, so let's go for say Ranchi, which is the best new IIM right now. Okay, Ranchi also hasn't given any detailed list. Okay, they have given only the cutoff of one round cutoff. Okay, so 73.09 was the lowest CS at which there was an admission given. And see, cap round, there'll be approximately 14,000 people getting a call. So this many people have got this call. Okay. So 13,668. Okay, so that is one disadvantage of cap round. Many people get a call, but they don't get a convert finally. Okay, okay, this is nice. Raipur. So Raipur has given in detail, right? So the same number of people have got the call, but they had an intake of just 263. Okay, 100, and you can see all category wise how many they have intake. So initially this was the cutoff on 11th May. Almost 1 month later on 10th June, they have released the ninth list wherein they have given cutoff okay 70.761. Okay, so like that, see, you can clearly understand when 71 is like 71 to 67, those 4 points will mean almost 30 to 40 marks less in cat. Okay, which will be like this guy would be somewhere like 98 or 99th percentile, whereas this guy would be 95th or 96th percentile. Okay, so this is how it works. So I would urge you to sit and calculate all your composite score, or else we will put out a composite score calculator in a few days so that you can just calculate it. Okay, but keep subscribe to our channel so that we'll share you that calculator also. Okay, I hope this was more than enough for you. And that's it, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, share and subscribe, and we'll go live soon, as soon as we have 1K subscribers. So please share with all your friends. Okay, thank you.